all guys are waiting for IELTS reading module strategies for really a long time. But guys, IELTS reading is not just a thing of few minutes. For the reading strategy, you have to follow various steps. The one thing which is really essential, the thing I'm going to discuss in today's video. Let me clear you one thing, this video belongs to both academics and the journal category. That means both can view this and can follow the strategy. I hope this strategy, the way I am telling you, will help you out. The strategy, basically why we need strategy to just get our answers. The reason is just to get the accurate answers. If you want the persistent band score, then surely you need a strategy. So let's get started. Reading is basically the matter of understanding, that you are understanding the text or the written material or not. The paragraphs basically. Not only the questions which are present back of the paragraphs, but also the paragraph. If you are getting like what the paragraph is saying, if you are getting what the questions are saying, if these two things are with you, if you are getting it, then definitely you will get a right answer. If you know the question is asking something related to Alexandra's death, okay, and you read in the paragraph somewhere like Alexander died in this year. So if you got it exactly, or if you understood it, that here it means this and here in the paragraph it means this, so that means the both things are same. If they are same, that means the answer is same, right? So the matter is to understand the concept, understand the meaning of the passage, basically like how to just basically to read out and like that, basically getting the meaning of the content, okay? So firstly, I would suggest you do your own way, because my strategy is little going to be different for you. I already shared it somewhere in the videos. I remember it, I have shared it. But if you guys are not watching, then what can I do, guys? You have to just go through, at least go and check out. Like maybe somewhere I have put it. I just remember I have given somewhere, I guess. Okay. Now the thing is, let's talk about this. This is IELTS Academic 11 Academic, okay? The strategies both for academic and the journal, both are same, okay? In the reading section, rules are little different, such as you are going to get 5 reading paragraphs instead of 3. Academics are having 3 paragraphs, right? The difference is this much only, okay? So strategies are same, okay? What you need to do is try to read the content. Try to read out these sentences in your own native language. Look, I know there are many viewers who belongs to different countries. Then guys, try to do it with your own language, okay? Like as I am from India, so the one belongs from India or the neighboring countries know Hindi language, so they can understand it. But if I talk about you, then you should try it in your own language. Like, let me give you an example like how you can do this. Let me tell you, you have to read it in your native language, right? I know you belong from the different phase of this world, but guys, I don't know other languages basically. So I'm going to do this in the Hindi language. If you are from India or from the neighboring countries, then you will understand it, and I can't do anything else. So you can do this, don't worry. You just need to do is, do not read it in English. Directly convert it into your native language, okay? Just try it once, twice, thrice, 4 times. You will get it, don't worry, okay? It's easy, not that much difficult. It's not a strategy, it's just a trick, okay? It's like a trick, but you will follow it in the right way, it will become a strategy. So let's firstly try to do it, and then you will get it. So don't worry. So the one who know Hindi, let me tell you. You can see this paragraph which I'm going to convert right now here. So let's get started. If you will read it first in English and then you will convert it into Hindi, it will take twice the time which you should give to this passage basically, okay, which is not correct. If you want to do it correctly, if you want to utilize your time perfectly, then you need to do it in the single go in your native language. You have tried your strategy, you have given your best to this reading part. Now try one time, twice, thrice, four times, five times. Try it million times, but try. Okay, you will get it. At the single go, no one achieve it. Okay, at the single go, no one can achieve something in the single go. They have to practice, right? So you will also get it. Let's start the strategy. Silk is fine, smooth material produced from the cocoons, soft protective shells that are made by mulberry silkworms. सिल्क जो है एक फाइन स्मूथ मटेरियल है जो कि ककून से प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, जो कि एक सॉफ्ट प्रोटेक्टिव शेल है जो कि बनाई गई है बाय मलबरी सिल्कवॉर्म्स. गेट इट? ये ज़्यादा जल्दी आपके माइंड में जाएगा, ज़्यादा जल्दी माइंड में इंसर्ट करेगा क्योंकि ये आपकी own native language में है. Okay, I converted it into Hindi and directly into the Hindi, and this way, by this way basically, you will get it in the more nicer way than you will get it in the English, because I know we guys are not that much familiar with the English as we are with our native language. So in our native language basically we get the questions in our mind very quickly, in fact more nicely than that is in English. So I hope you got it, and in this way you need to go. I know I firstly read the thing in English and then I converted it in Hindi, and in this way I want to convey the same thing. You will take twice the time if you will do this. So don't do this, because if you will do this, your half time, like there will be only 1 hour for you to do your reading task basically, and you will just cover it in half hour. Means you will not able to complete even 2 passages. So do not do this. Okay, the same thing you need to do with the questions. Now the trick is, I know that was the trick number 1. Trick number 2, firstly read questions, what the questions are saying. Firstly read the questions, but the question which are from the beginning, which are in the beginning, either they are MCQ, either they are true false, either they are headings, just only read the initial questions. Okay, firstly just go and quickly read out all the questions, like true false, all 13 questions, 1 to 13 questions, all questions. Read out it. You have read it, right? Now repeat the first question. Means either they are MCQ, either they are fill in the blanks, either they are true false. Read it out fastly, quickly. In just a minute you will read it out twice. You know, means you will just speed up yourself by time to time. Okay, you will speed up. Don't worry. Initially, the very first time, the second time, third time, it can be possible you will take more than 1.5 hours to complete 3 passages together. But that is fine, totally okay. Okay, don't worry about it. Because honestly speaking guys, when I was doing reading, when I started this strategy, I took 1.5 hour plus 10 minutes, that means 1 hour and 40 minutes to complete 3 passages. And do you know how much I scored? It was more than 30 out of 40, and I was academic student. It was considered that the journal students have easy reading part, right? But the concept are same, rules are same. Okay, so follow the strategy, convert into your own native language, read the questions first and then go to the paragraph, and then analyze which question you have read and is there any answer in the first paragraph. If not, if when you read the first paragraph, then go to the questions again. First concept basically, either it's true, false, MCQ, whatever. First concept, read out again and then memorize. Then just interrelate it from the passage number 1. Are they matching or not? If not, then move to passage number 2. Are they matching? Not, then move to passage number 3. And like this you will achieve each and every question. Now you must be thinking about the other questions. Like we have read the first questions, now first concept, either it is true, false or something else. You have read the first concept only, let it be true, false. You have read only true, false. So what about the other questions? But guys, if you will understand the meaning of the passage, in this way you will surely understand the meaning of the passage. And if you will get the meaning of the passage, then you will quickly assess, like this question, yeah, I know its answer, it's this. This question, it's in my mind, I don't get it, but yeah, I know where I read this thing. You can go there and can read out. It's super easy guys. It will be easy for those only who will practice. So practice it, okay? It's easy. Now it's the introduction of the reading strategy only. it's the introduction only, but the basic concept of reading strategy is this. If you want the other rules which are related to true false, MCQ and headings, like how to do those things, then you can comment me down. I'm going to upload these things. But if you will comment me that we want true false first or the headings first, I will go with that with examples. So I hope you like this video, and guys, please, it's like a motivation either you can say, or it's like something which I'm telling to you in the rough way, is do not just left it. Okay, at the initial stages when I was preparing, I literally felt so boredom in myself, like I can't do this, it's really hard. I was like that. I was on the very first day I achieved it, but second day with the same strategy I was not able to achieve more than 25. Okay, that was only 25, and I know the passing grade was 23 only. I was crying on that day. I almost cry in the week that I'm not getting my concept. But the issue is getting the meaning of that thing. If you get the meaning, you will get your answer. So the thing you need to focus upon is vocabulary, because you will get bundles of vocabulary basically in your reading section. So learn them, focus over them, and like that. I know there will be many students which are going to do like this. They are going to follow the strategy, but they will get many words. They will highlight many words. I don't know the meaning of this. I don't know the meaning of this. I don't know the meaning of this. And then they will search it online. What's the meaning of that? That's useless, guys. Why I'm saying it useless? It's useless if you are doing that thing in between your test, in between your mock test, or before your mock test, or before your reading attempt. Okay? Do this thing after your reading attempt. You have done your reading, then do this. And then repeat your reading with the same thing. Do 3 of the passages together. Do not stand in between. These are few rules which you have to take care, because at the time of examination you are not going to stand up in between and go here and there. No, you are not allowed to. Okay? So make your setting of doing 3 passages together. Secondly, if you want to know like what are the meanings, then go at the end. Means when you are done with your test, search out the meaning. You got lower score, that's fine. Okay, it's practice only. It's not test, practice. Okay, write down the meaning. Try to match the meaning with the sentences, because I told you there are many meaning of the same word. So you need to fit that word, what that means in that sentence, and then try to understand that and then move on. Try to learn each and every word which you have wrote. Do not cram, just learn them. Just understand them, what is their meaning, why they were used there, and like that. Okay, in this way you will achieve, or you will just enhance your vocabulary in a very nice way. Okay, you can also search out some synonyms. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a little lengthy way of approaching your reading skill, but if you will do in this way, you're going to crack IELTS with the best band scores. I'm telling you. Okay, I did in this way. I achieved it with a nice band score, but I know if I do that, if I just followed this strategy for more time, I'll do that in the different way. I can achieve different score, but that's fine. I just need 7 band. I did that in a month, and I'm sufficient with that. I'm okay with that I did that, because I was going to get the exam early. I like my filing was going to be early, so that's fine. Okay, that's the other matter. So the things which you need to take care, I told you. This is a little lengthy way, but more informative, nice way. If you have time, then do in this way. You will get it. Okay? One and the last thing. And I will tell you the most important thing about these vocabularies just after this thing. The important thing is you will get so many vocabularies from the single passage only, that you feel like, I'm not going to search their meanings now. I'm done with the meanings. I'm done with everything. They are just increasing day by day, and like that. That's okay. Everyone face that. You have to face that if you want that your dream of going abroad, learning over there, and whatever your dream is. So if you have dreamt something, then you have to achieve that, and for your achieving you have to do a struggle. So excuse yourself to the best and come to come with a best version of yourself. I hope you got what I mean. Okay, now the best part of the vocabulary, let's talk about that. The best part of the vocabulary is when you will learn this vocabulary, when you will underline, when you will search out the meaning, and when you will get the vocabulary, guys, you will see there are few vocabularies which are repeating again and again. And when you will search the same vocabulary again, then you will learn it automatically. Okay, so it's a nice way, you will love it. But make sure, the thing is, if you know I searched this meaning prior but I don't know its meaning, then search it again. Don't go with the previous vocabulary and like that. Do it again. Make a new notebook of vocabularies. Make a new notebook of writing task. Repeat them once, twice, thrice, till you have not achieved your required band. Repeat that again and again, again and again. Because if you will do writing task, reading task 1 of this book, and you have received 25. Then you jumped onto the reading task number 2, you have received 26. You are jumping onto another. What's the meaning of it? Nothing. By this way, you are just completing your books. You are not learning from them. You are just checking yourself. You are not learning. So do one test and then repeat it. Okay? Then do another test to check yourself what I have learned from the previous test. If you have did any question wrong, try to understand why I did it wrong. Maybe I have not understand it clearly, because the reading is only based upon understanding. If you understood the question clearly, if you understood the passage, no one can wrong your answer. Now the most important thing, kindly read the instructions carefully. If they are saying one word only, then write one word only. No number, nothing, one word. If they are saying word or number, then make sure you will do the same. So follow the instructions very carefully. They are really literally very important. Okay. Now guys, I hope you love this video, and at the end I would like to tell you one thing. If you are not aware, then I have also uploaded the listening one, the strategy of the listening and the speaking as well. So if you like to, I'll share the link in the description as well as here in the I button. So make sure to visit those as well. Those will help you, and share your experience in the comment section with me, so that let me know how much of you liked it and how much of you are achieving your score. Okay, if it's bad, that's fine, repeat it. If it's good, that's very nice. Okay, you can do this. I also faced this situation, I also struggled. Now it's your time to do the same, because your dreams are only fulfilled by yourself. No one going to fulfill for you. Okay, no one. So understand the worth of your time, understand the worth of your vocabulary, your test, your marks, and then achieve it. Nothing is impossible in this world. Nothing. Okay? The thing which is required is just you, your time, your dedication, and that is it. You will achieve it. So stay cool. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay connected. See you. I'm walking alone.